Good morning, boys and girls. It's Thursday, the 14th of January, 2021. Let's get started. And we'll begin with our spellings. Today you're going to write your spellings into the Thursday column. And then remember to practice them as much as you can. And tomorrow, if you feel you're ready, maybe someone at home could do a little spelling test with you, and then you could send me a picture of the results. So let's practice our words. So you repeat after me. Sat, tap, pan, run, tin, nap, man. Very good. Then we move on to our CVC word activity booklet. And as always, we will begin by looking at yesterday's work, the 13th of the 1st. So let's have a quick look. Pet, pet. And you can see this little girl is holding her pet rabbit. Net. And there's a net there. So those two would go together. Pen. So those two would go together. And as I'm sounding these out, boys and girls, see if you can guess the word before I say it. Egg. Peg. And there is a clothes peg there for hanging up the clothes. Also, yesterday, you had to draw pictures for these different words. So you had to sound out the words and do the pictures. And a lot of you have sent me your work on this already. It's been fantastic, so well done to you. Let's sound out the words. Mum. Hot. Big. Big. And bed. Bed. And yesterday you also had to do this page in your pictures and captions matching activity booklet. So this is for yesterday. Let's look. A tin can. And there we have a tin can. Cats and dogs. And there are the cats and dogs. A red rug. So a rug is like a little carpet or a little mat. So there it is there, and it's red. And get to the top. And there is a man at the top of a mountain. And so, returning to this book again, let's look at our work for today, Thursday. And a lot of drawing today, boys and girls. You have this page and this page as well. You have these two. You can see the date at the top there, the 14th and the 14th. So let's try to sound out the words. I'm going to sound them out, but I'm not going to say the words. Ugh. What might that be? T. What could that be? I think you know. Ugh. And egg. I'm sorry about the shadow, boys and girls. I hope you can still see the words okay. And our second page, let's look. D. S. Hug. And we have one page in this booklet as well. Let's try to sound it out. S, o, k, s, on, a, at, a, k, up, on, a, p, egg, a, on, in the sun, at, s, on, a, s, a, k. Try to blend those sounds together, boys and girls. And don't be afraid to go back to this video and replay me sounding out those words over and over again and try to blend them together to become words. Then on to maths. I got some lovely snowflake work from you yesterday, boys and girls. A really, really beautiful and carefully done work that took you right up to the number 37. Today now we're moving on to counting in twos. Now you'll see there are a lot of numbers at the bottom, so you will need scissors and glue to complete this activity. And we're counting in twos. And for this activity you will need a number line, and there should be one in your pack. I put one in your packs. It's a little bit more colourful than this one, but it does the same job. So when we count in twos, we skip a number each time. So I'm going to count in twos along this number line, and I want you to try to count along with me, or you could say the number after me. And you'll see me jumping over a number each time. 0, jump, 2, jump, 4, 6, 8. Do you see how I'm skipping one number each time? 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you'll see when I started, I left out the 1, I jumped over it, so big jump over to 2. It's really 2 jumps, 1, 2. And then skip a number to 4, skip a number, 6, and so on. Practice counting in twos on your number line at home, and maybe an adult could help you with that as well. And practice a few times, not just once, so you really get the hang of it. Then you can try to fill in the spaces in this number line here. And it starts at 2 and it goes right up to 30 in twos. So here we have 2, and if we skip a number on our number line, what comes next? So let's look at 2 on our number line. You could point with a pen or with your finger, whatever's handiest. Skip over a number, so we're not going to land in 3. We have to skip over 1. 4. 4 comes next. So we find 4 here. Can you see 4? There it is. So we're going to cut it out and glue it right here. 4. What comes next? So back to our number line. We're on 4. We're going to skip a number, hop over one of the numbers and land on, what's this number? 6. So back to our page and looking for 6. Can you see it? Tell me when to stop. There it is. So again, cut it out and stick it. 2, 4, 6, and then fill in all these boxes with these numbers. At the end, I want you to say each number aloud to someone at home. And then you'll get the hang of counting in twos. So boys and girls, I hope that's helpful. Don't forget as well to try your best to go on to Oxford Owl to do your reading. And remember to read your book more than once. And also, if you can, get on to Some Dog as well. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.